we've got our tickets, 150 for each adult, and a child is 70. There's our child. Roosters. Oh, well, these look like peahens. Found a little rooster. He's king of the rock.
I wonder if they think this is
dinner time. They're all very excited.
lunchtime or dinner.
Probably dinner.
I want to pet him.
I don't think it wants you to. This one came visiting. Its cousin, I think. There are lots of these little shops here and there throughout the zoo.
They have those pink monkeys that I have.
Yeah.
Right?
How much is hers?
20. This zoo has a lot of hills. There are some options for getting around though. You can rent a golf cart for 350 baht per hour, or there's like a tram. You can just get a ticket and like all day, and then you can go around to the different stations, hop on, hop off. We decided to walk because we're crazy. So we could use our money on some other things like ice cream and feeding the animals, things like that. It is hot, but we're making it.
Cotton candy.
Normally you can get a separate ticket and go to the aquarium, but they're renovating it right now, so it is closed. Oh, another hill. I thought we were done. Sophie was excited to see the kids zone in this area, but now she's kind of disappointed because the library just closed at 3:30, and that area behind me is where the playground was. So it looks like they're doing a lot of renovations. So a lot of things are closed. They're just, I think, redoing a lot of things here. What did you get?
I got food for the giraffes for 20 baht. You don't need to pay for it anymore.
So you can make a donation like we did for the birds and take some animal feed. To feed the, what are we going to see, Sophie?
Hippo!
Okay.
Hello.
Who wants more? More than that. Come on. No,
Where'd the rubber band go?
probably fell off.
More penguins.
Sophie requested to have zoo bingo. Just trying to figure out which ones we've seen so far.
I've seen giraffes. I just need one here, and here, and here, and here, one here, two here. And now get bingo!
Yay, it's finally downhill. We can see Chiang Mai from up here. And now we don't know which direction to go. We took some back roads to try to take a shortcut. Whoa, we found the main road again. We're on our way out.
I slipped and I got caught.
Yeah, Sophie fell in some gravel. Thankfully she's okay. Yeah, but we're on our way out now. We're all really tired now.
I'm gonna go swimming.
Yeah.
We all do.
go back to the hotel and jump in the pool.
Well, first get our swimsuits on and put
Shower.
my sunscreen.